Lingering in Happiness by Mary Oliver. After rain, after many days without rain, it stays cool, private, and cleansed under the trees. And the dampness there, married now to gravity, falls branch to branch, leaf to leaf, down to the ground, where it will disappear, but not of course vanish, except to our eyes. The roots of the oaks will have their share, and the white threads of the grasses and the cushion of moss. A few drops, round as pearls, will enter the mole's tunnel, and soon so many small stones, buried for 1,000 years, will feel themselves being touched